Today I'm going to show you how to do a cheat 180 round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a cheat 180 round, aka tornado kick, then hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop 180 round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance looking forward at your target. You're going to bring your cheat leg up and jump off your other leg. Start to turn your body and switch legs. Then throw your round kick and finish the move, landing in a frontside stance. Now don't forget to work on this with a follow through at the end. A spin into this move is usually used to gather a little bit more momentum before you throw it. And you can also use a spin and a follow through together to get a bunch of momentum for this trick. And I recommend that you get used to all of these because we are going to be doing them all in combinations later on. Now let's go ahead and break this move down in progressions. First progression is going to be a cheat round. So just starting in a frontside stance, bringing your cheat leg up, putting it down, and throwing your round kick. The second progression is going to be a cheat 0 round, which is the same thing, but when you jump, you're actually going to throw your round kick in the air. Now all we're doing is we're starting in a backside stance and we're adding a 180-degree rotation to your cheat 0 round, and that is your cheat 180 round. Now keep in mind that it does help a lot to think about kind of just switching your legs and throwing your kick when you do this move. Also make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump and you're landing on the balls of your feet when you land. And always make sure to try your best to spot your target when you kick. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It means so much to me to have a group of people that believe in this as much as I do. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a swing 180 round, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.